This story is not about a good boy athlete who worked hard and achieved success. This story is about a guy who said that he will become the greatest, and he went on to achieve it and become the greatest, who changed the landscape of mixed martial arts. He was living in a 1 BHK in Dublin, Ireland, working as a struggling plumber, staying with his girlfriend, and living on her paycheck. He used to go twice to the gym. He only had raw strength and immense self belief. He got a chance to go to UFC and fight knockout matches. He eventually started winning them and became Knockout of the Night champion. He started talking the talk, predicting finishes, and creating drama. The audience, they loved it. UFC, obviously they loved it. He became the hard-throwing star. Till now, you must have guessed who he is. He is none other than Conor McGregor. He defeated Jose Aldo in 13 seconds to become the only man to hold two belts at the same time. He went on to do much bigger things. He was such a bigger icon, such a great persona, that he did the unthinkable. He convinced Floyd Mayweather to fight him in a boxing ring. That one night, that one match, earned him over $100 million. Became overnight luxury. He was sipping his proper 12 whiskey, wearing designer suits, and clicking photographs all across the world. But we must have heard this quote: with great power comes great responsibility. In his case, it was slightly different. With great fame came great patience and temperament. Sadly, he didn't have it. The bus incident with Khabib was very painful. It went a notch too far. Later on, the final defeat with Khabib in the cage served as the final nail in his coffin. After that defeat, nothing was safe. His life started spiraling downward. He lost his focus, the business went downhill, and everything started falling apart. The king had fallen from his throne. As of today, McGregor has not retired officially. He is still preparing to come back to the cage and show everyone what a great legend he was before he bowed out. Conor's story tells us what one should do and what one shouldn't do in order to achieve success and keep it with them. Hope you like this story. For more such stories, don't forget to subscribe and keep on supporting us.